In this video, we are going to revise folk dramas in Madhya Pradesh. Folk dramas represent local culture, music, arts, and traditions through theatrical performance, vary by regions Nimad, Malba, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand. Hello everyone, welcome to the Tapasya for MP Exam YouTube channel. So let's begin. Folk dramas represent local culture, music, arts, traditions through theatrical performance, vary by region like Nimad, Malwa, Bundelkhand, Baghelkhand. Common forms Gammut, Swang, Mas, Nautanki, Rahas. Nimad region folk dramas. Gammat. Traditional folk drama, highly popular, performed on Navratri Holi, Ganagaur. Sutradhar narrator called Kudgarya. Longer duration. Swang similar to other regions but in Nimari dialects. Two types. Sharup Swang serious and Hasa Swang humorous. Pati Swang by women on Ganagaur. Panwadi song by women on marriage occasions. Thotya. Women centric performs an audience or women only. Performed on wedding night by bride side full of humor. Kamras Raslila based on Lord Krishna's life performed on Janmashtami. Men play female roles. Rasmandal performed on Janmashtami. Ideal of Balmugan is told men play female role. Malwa region folk dramas. March. Birthplace Ujjain. Declare state folk drama of Madhya Pradesh. Dholak and sarangi are key instruments. Blend song, music, rag, acting, dance. Repetitions of lines by new artists called Tek Jhelna Ustad Guru leads. Key figures Om Prakash Sharma. Modernized March. Padma Shri 2024. Ram Dangal similar to Turra Kalangi. Fading. Two groups dialogues in refined Khari Boli. Nakal. Imitations of contemporary popular persons events. Bharati evolved from bards praising kings, valued state patronage in Chandelira. Bundelkhand. Bundelkhand region folk dramas. Raha similar to Ramlila based on Krishna's life. Nautanki full of satire and humor based on Alaipic or ancient tales with khayal singing. Song traditional performed amid dry dance with humor satire. Bundeli dialect influenced by Rai. Men play women roles. Baghelkhand regions folk dramas. Jindwa by women on marriage with acting singing humor. Chahur by farmer caste from Diwali to Gopastami. Hingola. Simple stage drama. Dialogue exchange between two groups voice songs. Instrument Maudar and Timki. Mansukh folk fairs. Bagheli version of Ras. Banter between Mansukh Jester and Gopis. Cross regional folk dramas Swang performed in Malwa, Nimad, Bundelkhand, Rai influence. Baghelkhand men typically play women roles. Major folk literatures of Madhya Pradesh. Isuri, Bundeli folk poet. Full name Isuri Prasad Ajarya Tiwari. Inspiration, love and separation from Raju. A beautiful woman. Contributions started Chokriya, Chand and Bundeli folk. Folk are erotic and devotional. Radha Krishna. Contemporaries Gangadhar Khyalram. Bhartyari of Bundelkhand. Lok Kavi Jagnik, court poet of Chandel King Parmari Dev. Contemporary of Chand Bardai. Work Parmal Lasu, heroic. Alakhand, famous epic on Alauddin of Mahoba. Ala, oral traditions, 52 battles in Osmai style, Banafri Bundeli dialects. Popularity sung in rainy seasons. In Rajasthan, Malwa Bundelkhand Baghelkhand by Alhed singer. Saint Singaji Nirgun Bhakti. Nimad's Kabir influenced by Kabir started Nirgun Bhakti stream. Caste Gwala Cowherd. Guru Swami Mandrangir. Birth 1519. Khazuri village Badwani. Death 1559. Samadhi fair on Sarad Purnima in Pipalia, Khandwa. Works 1100 poets in Nimari language style. Symbol from folk life farming for spiritual message. Krisi Pandit Ghag. Akbar's contemporary Chaudhary title by Akbar. Expert practical agriculture proverbs guide farming, bull buying, plowing, sowing, and harvesting. Collection Ghog or Bhattari by Ramnaresh Tripathi. Ghog or Bhattari by Ramnaresh Tripathi. Role of Madhya Pradesh tribes in environment conservation. General contributions. Tribes view nature as a mother, protect water, forest, land. Sustainable use. Take only needs. UN Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues 2007. Tribes responsible for cultural biodiversity conservation. Still maintain green pollution free areas despite modern challenges. Key practices wildlife conservation, coexistence limited hunting. Forest conservation, Bhil, Gond, Bega, with forest as a life source, community management. Sacred groves, trees, people, Bargat, Mahua, sacred, Sarna groves, worshipped, no cutting. Traditional agriculture, Jhum, shifting, organic, minimal, chemical, soil fertility, water conservation, ponds, bawdis. Natural source maintenance, medical plant preserves use for traditional medicines. Festival Haryali Amavasya Karma focus on tree plantations worships. Specific tribal traditions and examples. Halma Bhil community health system adds water crisis example Jhabua. Raut Pratha designated forest area as sacred, no cutting fire. Utera farming Gond Bega. So next seed is rice field before harvest. Uses soil mixture. Bacha village Gond Betul, solar energy, self-reliant, nationally recognized. Bega woman Dendori, seed bank by Lahari Bai and Fuljaria Bai. Let's revise this. Folk dramas, regions and key forms. Nimad, Gammat, Kudgarya, Navratri. Thotya, women only wedding humans. Malwa March, state drama. Ujjain Dholak, Sarangi, Tek Jhelna Om Prakash Sharma Padma Shri Award in 2024. Bundelkhand Rahas Krishna Swang Rai influence. Baghelkhand Mansukh Fairs Ras Jindwa Women's Unmarried. March state drama Gammat Sutradhar Kudgarya 2024. Swang Bundelkhand 2024. For men's perspective, cultural preservation, regional variation in dialects, music, role in social satire, entertainment. Folk literatures. Isri Bundeli Folk pioneer. Chaukadiya Chand. Rajau inspiration part of Bhartahari. Jagnik Ala Khan 52 battles. Chandel's court poet oral tradition 2021. Singaji Nimad Kabir Nirgun Bhakti farming symbols in pads fair at Pipalya. Ghag Krisi Pandit Akbarira agriculture proverb. Main single Bhakti Singaji Veer Gatha Jagnik, practical knowledge, Ghag, language and cultural promotion, tribal environment role. General Guardians of Biodiversity, UN 2007, sustainable living, protection of water. Forest land practices, sacred groves, Sarna, organic traditional farming, Jhum Uttera. Water conservation, Mahua shall use. Specific, Halma, Bhil water at Raut, sacred forest bun. Bacha, village solar energy. Example, Bega seed banks, Lahari Bai, Fulleria Bai. Biodiversity guardians importance for modern policy integration and conservation. So this is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press bell icon so that this kind of videos keep reaching you. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.